In this video, I'll guide you through how to analyze knowledge-based performance in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to adjust a few simple options so you can turn raw data into meaningful insights about your content. Let's start right from the HubSpot navigation. Once you're logged into your portal, move your cursor up to the main navigation bar, hover over or click on the service section. This is where HubSpot keeps all of your support-related tools like tickets, customer feedback, and of course, your knowledge base. From the service menu, look for the option labeled Knowledge Base and click it. This takes you into the main knowledge base area where you normally manage your articles, categories, and overall structure. Instead of staying on the default view that shows your list of articles, we're going to switch to the analytics view so we can focus on performance. At the top of the knowledge base page, you'll see a set of tabs. One of them is called Analyze. Go ahead and click the Analyze tab. This is where HubSpot gathers and presents all of your knowledge-based performance data in one place. It may take a moment to load, but once it does, you should see charts, graphs, and tables that break down how your articles are doing. Think of this Analyze view as the command center for understanding what's working in your knowledge base and what needs improvement. You'll typically see metrics like total views, engagement trends over time, which articles are the most popular, and sometimes how often visitors still end up creating support tickets after visiting certain articles. Even though we're not changing any of the actual content here, the data you see in this area will help you decide which articles might need to be updated, expanded, or even created from scratch. Next, let's make sure the data you're looking at is actually relevant to your goals. Near the top of the Analyze page, you'll find controls for the date range. Click on the date range selector. A small calendar or list of preset timeframes will appear, such as the last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, or a custom range. Choose the time period that best matches what you want to review. For example, if you've recently launched several new articles, you might focus on the last few weeks to see how they've performed. If you're interested in longer-term trends, you might select a few months or even a full year. After you've set the date range, take a look at the filters that are available, usually near the same area. Filters help you narrow down the data even more so you're not overwhelmed by everything at once. You might be able to filter by things like article category, language, or specific properties, depending on your setup. Click on the filters option, then choose the criteria that matter most for your analysis. For example, if you want to understand how your technical documentation is doing, you could filter to just that category. If your knowledge base is translated, you might focus on a single language at a time to compare performance across regions. Once your date range and filters are set, the charts and tables on the Analyze page will refresh to reflect those choices. From here, you can scroll through the different sections and begin interpreting what you see, knowing that the information is tailored to the period and segments you care about. That's all there is to it. Navigate to service, open the knowledge base, switch to the Analyze tab, and fine-tune your date range and filters so your performance data tells a clear, useful story.